Alright guys, Wayne back from Brooklyn Prince. I'm out in Washington Square Park today. I was out, had my bag, so I decided, let's get some portraits. What I'm going to do, I'm going to kill most of the ambient light, but you know, it's kind of hard to kill the sun. But we're going to get some portraits in. As usual, I'm going to post everything and see what we get. Oh, okay. I forgot. I'm here with Anastasia. Yeah.
Hi guys. Oh, you forgot about me.
She said I forgot about her. I'm so
You
sorry.
forgot.
Yeah, say what you want to say. Come on. Say what you want to say.
You forgot about me. You know me, Anastasia from Anastasia's Place.
My hair is cut off.
I have a YouTube channel called Anastasia's Place, and I also have a health and fitness channel, which is Anastasia Workouts.
Can we take some pictures now?
Yeah, we can take some pictures now.
Okay. If you guys like these videos, like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell. Say funny. And I'm going to link the camera settings down below. We'll have move over a little bit. You're too close to the light. Yeah, right there, right there. Yeah. So, what happened? No, we don't want nothing, man. Yes, she is. That's my wife. All right, yeah. Yeah, you calm down. In case you guys don't know, Washington Square Park is in New York. These people are can't be scared in New York. Okay. No. Okay, I'm all off my game now. Anyway, I'm going to link all the pictures. I'm going to drop all the pictures, post all the pictures. Like I said, if you guys get anything out of these videos, like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell, go to her pages, Anastasia's Place, Anastasia Works Out. I'm going to link those down below. And like, comment, subscribe over there, ring that bell over there. And that's it. We're going to get out of Washington Square Park before I have to do somebody dirty. Peace.